In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide a particle emitter in Blender. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on, and I have used a blue emission shader with 15 strength for the particle meshes. This is a simple sphere. The particle meshes are the spheres as well. I have one more sphere in the scene, and that mesh is used to block all external lights. For the third sphere, I have used a black color with specular turned off. I'm also using a composite node, and here are the details. I'll show you the particle settings next. We can hide the emitter by disabling the Show Emitter option like this. And that only works on the final render image or animation. Meaning the emitter will always remain on the screen when we're previewing the render animation. That's how we hide the emitter, and this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.